Hello! Tonight we're going to do a stir-fry ramen. We'll start off with the ramen package. We don't need the soup this time. We'll just drop our noodles into some boiling water. That'll take about 2 or 3 minutes to cook up. I'll prepare our ingredients. We have some spices. We have our fresh garlic. We'll use a clove of garlic. Smash the garlic. Slice it up. Ginger. You don't need to peel it. Smash the So there's some baby carrots here, just like that. Scallions, green onions, we'll just cut those into about half-inch pieces. We have some bok choy, and we'll just cut those up, probably into quarter-inch slices. We'll use the leaves as well. We have some shrimp, which I will just coarsely cut. Mushrooms, baby portobellos, and we have some ground pork, some soy sauce, and those will be the ingredients. Let's go and take a look at those noodles. Are just about cooked. We have our wok. I'm using a cast iron wok, high heat. We don't want to overcook the noodles. I'm just draining those. I'm going to use some peanut oil, a tablespoon. Doesn't take a lot. There we go. So we have our ginger and our garlic. And you can see that that oil is heated right up. The ingredients are going to go very quickly, 10 or 15 seconds between ingredients. The ground pork. And this pork will cook very, very quickly. Carrots will start to soften up right away. Put in our mushrooms. Put in our shrimp. And now the pork is completely cooked. Put in our bok choy, our scallions that we sliced up, noodles, there you have, if you like it a little bit salty, ramen stir fry.